Welcome to PIDI 4.0. In this video we will explain in detail the 5 pillars of PIDI 4.0 services and their functions. Showcase Center. Showcase Center's objective is to increase awareness about Industry 4.0 through showcasing real-life model companies and from Industry 4.0 implementation between WEF lighthouses. PIDI 4.0 as Showcase Center will function as a demo and test place of applied Industry 4.0 technology along the value chains of an industry, so that visitors are able to tour around the model companies which are based on selected product, value chain and also Industry 4.0 use cases. Thereby they will have experience in Industry 4.0 adoption. Our Showcase Center's target in 2025 is about 90% awareness. 7,000 companies will be aware of Industry 4.0. Conceptual design for F&B and Automotive showcase lines have been created, with total 90 relevant Industry 4.0 use cases to be shown as part of half-day awareness workshop. Half-day awareness workshop will cover Introduction to Industry 4.0, Transformation journey of RTDT Co and Gearbox Co along the value chain, demonstration of application of digital use cases in the showcase shop floor. Capability Center. Objective of PIDI 4.0 role as Capability Center is to build Industry 4.0 capabilities for Indonesian companies at each organizational level, CXO, middle manager, engineer, and frontline workers. Our Capability Center's target in 2025 is about 50% outreach. 4,000 companies and 400,000 workers will have been trained. The approach used to design PIDI 4.0 role as Capability Center are as follow. Assess capability building requirement to understand local industry needs. Benchmark global capability building best practice. Collect available modules relevant to industry needs. Blueprint tailored capability building program for each organizational level. Define delivery go-to-market strategy. Capability building program into local industry needs and global best practices, then they tailored to each level of an organization's hierarchy. Capability building learning program has been created for CXO, managers, engineers and frontline workers using more than 115 learning modules and more than 28 technology learning modules covering end-to-end transformation journey across 3 transformation themes: business, technology and organization. Business transformation consists of approach digital holistically with a clear vision and develop a phased roadmap. Approach the opportunity value backwards rather than technology forward. Technology transformation consists of form comprehensive and scalable technology stack. Build and lead a focused ecosystem of technology partners. Organization transformation consists of drive transformation from the top, communicate success stories, get ahead of the capability gap and build the culture to sustain it. The triple transformation learning module will be focused step by step from stage discovering, diagnosing, designing, piloting, and scale and sustain. Our Capability Center has a mix of theory and hands-on experiential exercises to increase learning retention wrapped with learning programs and learning track. Learning program offers 1-day Industry 4.0 seminar or 3-day boot camp, and learning tracks covering specific topics such as manufacturing, procurement and supply chain will also be offered. Ecosystem for Industry 4.0. Ecosystem Center's objective is to connect all influential stakeholders of Industry 4.0 to bring distinct expertise and capabilities to Indonesia. We are aiming 100 up to 200 partners in 2025. There are 6 stakeholder groups in PIDI 4.0 ecosystem. Financial institutions provide funding and regulatory incentives to create conditions for initial investment in Industry 4.0. Research and educational institution build new capabilities of workforce through partnership with educational institutions, conduct PIDI 4.0 assessment, and drive new technologies through existing research and development centers. Startup and accelerators provide access to the global and local startup ecosystem, as well as mentor and link startups to anchor users, help scale up plan. Service providers provide services required for adoption, for example, assessments, training, system integration. Technology providers provide foundational or platform or specialized Industry 4.0 solutions. Anchor industry users develop tiered partnership or satellite PIDI 4.0 units with Industry 4.0 champions, as well as identify and develop new business models. Ecosystem of PIDI 4.0 offers such as collision workshops on use cases within the theme, for example supply chain integration and planning. Knowledge sharing by service or technology providers. Lessons learned sharing sessions by users. Shark Tank for startup or technology provider. Go and see visits on successful implementation. Another advantage is all ecosystem partners will get access to a network of Industry 4.0 ecosystem and quarterly curated event. Delivery Center. PIDI 4.0 will be a delivery center which helps companies along their Industry 4.0 journey, from assessment to implementation, using different approach for different size of companies. Our delivery center's target in 2025 is to make 25% scaling up project transformation Industry 4.0 for about 2,000 companies. 3 outcomes for delivery center conceptual design include Indonesia Industry 4.0 Readiness Index India 4.0 Scales Up Plan. Ministry of Industry has conducted Industry 4.0 Readiness Index assessment to 502 companies. The result is varied, thereby Delivery Center aims to support and to mentor those companies in order to success in Industry 4 adoption. Field and Forum Program. Field and Forum is a program which combines on-the-ground coaching or field and capability building at PIDI 4.0 Forum. Field and Forum has been designed as a 6-month program to support mid-sized companies to undergo end-to-end Industry 4.0 transformation from discover through to scale up. Do it for yourself DIY delivery portal. DIY Delivery Portal operates as an interactive one-stop shop portal providing step-by-step guidance on self-launching Industry 4.0 transformation and redesign jobs. PIDI 4.0 delivery program will primarily be delivered through interactive field and forum to help up to 30 companies achieve direct productivity gains. Across 6 months, the company will participate in activities starting from stage discover through discovering and diagnostic data to finally to stage scale up 2. The topics covered in forum include Introduction to Industry 4.0, Digital Thread and IoT, Learn and CDP, Design Thinking, Impact Calculation, Job Redesign, Scale Up Planning. All of them complemented by 2 Enabler, Indie 4.0 Initial Awareness Tool from Company Self-Assessment and DIY Portal Self-Help Portal to support companies in transformation. Innovation Center. PIDI 4.0 will be a research center with 2 distinct value propositions for technology, testbed and research brokerage. Our Innovation Center's target in 2025 is to contribute about 40 until 90 research brokerage and testbeds projects. The 2 distinct value propositions would be PIDI 4.0 as a research brokerage between industry players as users and research institutes. Our value proposition as research broker is simplified process for conducting R&D that is aligned within the Indonesian government. Companies gain access to network of local and world-class research institutes and academic partners. PIDI 4.0 as safe test bed for piloting and validating new technologies. We are able to facilitate the industry in conducting test beds on the 3rd floor of the PIDI's building. On that floor there are 5 laboratories consists of Automation Food and Beverage Lab, Automation Electronic and Automotive Lab, Additive Manufacturing Lab, IoT and Data Analytics Lab, and Advanced Supply Chain Lab. Our value proposition as test bed are equipment relevant for Industry 4.0 research, strong network of technology providers willing to set up presence in Indonesia, clear understanding of industry problem statements and themes. Let's join together with PIDI 4.0. Together we are making history in Industry 4.0 in Indonesia.
PIDI 4.0, Shifting Beyond Infinity.